Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made. This journal is for Lisa, and Lisa, I hope you like it. Lisa had asked me to make her a traveller's notebook size journal with a Parisian theme, also shabby chic. So this is what I've come up with. And like I said, it's a traveller's notebook size. There is 80 pages front and back. We have this lovely lace on here, this lovely flower here, this trim there, a little piece of snippet there with some bling, some cheesecloth. This image and some of the images that I've used are from Nectars Creations on Etsy, Dreamx, etc., ARTYmaze, the usual ones that I use. This little word title down here says remember. There's lots of lace, there's lots of bead dangles on there. Eyelet and seam binding closure, because it's not being used as an insert, it's just going to be used as a journal. So that is the side view. You can see all the little beads. Oh, there's one hiding behind there. Come on, there we go. So there's lots of beads on there and bead dangles in the middle. We've got some rondelle beads in there as well. So let's do a flip through. So on the inside cover we've got Journal It here with some homemade tags, some floral tags in a shabby chic feel, pockets here. The kit, like I said, is from Nectars Creations. We've got a flip up here, and these images here are from Dreamx, etc. They're absolutely gorgeous. So that tucks in there. We've got a doily and a paper bag, some edge punching here. This is a little envelope, little double journaling card inside. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is a double. So, was it that way? I can't remember. So that just paper clips on, and that just tucks in there. We've got some crocheted trim and the bead dangle. A lace pocket here with some tags, some music paper, and if you take the paper clip off, that folds out, and we've just got that tag in there, ephemera piece, sorry. Got a little pocket there, and it's also a little corner pocket. And we have this lovely lace on here with a bead dangle, and it is kind of left open there, so you could tuck things inside there. Oops. A doily, a paper bag, some squared paper. We've got a tuck here with some lace and this flower applique. Oops. Just some ephemera. So a Paris printable postcard. Another postcard just tucked on there. Here, actually I do have to take that off. This is from Dreamx, etc. So I just put that on there, and some ephemera there, and that just paper clips on like so. Some more bead dangles, and we have a flip up, which I think I've glued down. Oh, a little bit of the cheesecloth is actually caught on there. Here we go. There we go. Some lace and a seam binding bow, tag and some ephemera. Oh, I just need longer arms. That flips out. It's got moments on there. Again, that's from Dreamx, etc. Pockets in the centre with some bead dangles. The pockets, I've done some stickling on the butterfly and the flowers, a little bit of lace trim here. Each one has a tag, a journaling card which I've backed onto an index card, and a little tag. And the same this side. It's really pretty. That's the other side of the kind of ledger paper. Tag. Actually, take that out. Little journaling card that I put in the wrong way. And this is one of these little flip outs from Terry Wood. Since learning this, I don't think, oh, that's a little bit stuck up. Since learning that, I don't think I've done a journal without having one of these inside it. Another bead dangle. Here I've just made an envelope pocket, the tag in the back, some lace trims here, tag, and a little envelope with journaling card inside there. Paper bag doily. This is just a little booklet so you can journal inside there. It's also a pocket which has some ephemera, some more of this lace. This was from Dreamx, etc., so I just made a pocket from that. I've got a tag, and some ephemera. And it all just slots in there. This was from the kit from Nectars Creations, and I just fussy cut that out and glued it on there. Here it says smile. Got another pocket here with some tags and ephemera. Another bead dangle. Another envelope with a journaling card just tucked in here. And there is a journaling card inside the envelope as well. Paper bag. And this is another flip up, and we have a tag and some journaling cards. Well, that's a tag. And in the back here it says happy day, and Tiffany & Co tag with some more ephemera to write on. So that is the journal, and Lisa, I hope you like it. I will have this out in the mail to you. What day is it today? Monday, probably Wednesday now. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.